shirt. Welcome to my channel. I'm Rebecca. Today I'm sewing a shirt for a young boy, and I want to show you how I'm doing it using this Kente cloth, and this is his measurements, and I'm going to cut it on this paper and then place it on the Kente 1 inch. Make it quick. Alright, let's begin. So 1 inch down like this. So the shoulder. So now this is the neck. For the shirt, the shoulder, which is 6 inches, 1 inch down, 6 inches long. Then the armhole, is 9 inches, the straight line here. This is what I'm going to sew. 9 inches. So the hem, front is zip, and short sleeve, and the color, small color. Okay, so I've cut this paper for example. So after that, I'm going to place it on the sun. All right. So now I want to cut the shoulder, the back shoulder. This is for the back. So all will be in fold. So it will be like this. So armhole like this. This is here. I'll sew it round. This like this. Sew it round and then this like this. Now the shape is in, so place it on the back of the back. So this is the front. I'm going to cut it. So I'll do it 5 day. I'll cut it for zip. I'll use zip because the pattern in the pattern there is zip. So what long zip or I'll bring it down this letter like here. Yeah, so I have to join this. Okay, then this is it. Sewing boys shirts. So this is the front, this is the back. It's not button shirt, but like what you say, jumper, like jumper shirt, but I'll use buttons, zip in front here. So this will be the sleeve, short sleeve. This two. Okay. So I use 1.5 Kente 4, and then after that start the sewing. After the yoke, I'll cut this collar and iron it on this ceiling. In the front, I'll cut the interface on the machine. Now I'm cutting this. Is 7 inches, which will be here. 7 inches will be here, so I'm going to cut it from here plus the allowance. That's why it's 7 inches. So now 7 inches, then I'll cut the neck and armhole, shoulder. So and then okay, this is for the back, and then whistling. So now I'm going to stitch this area and then turn it. So let me pin it for safety. One stitch and then turning it like that. Okay, I have to cut this place so that when I turn it there won't be too much fold, and then cut it. Turning it, and then after that I'll iron it, and then step it. So I'll iron it, and then I'm joining the back yoke to the front yoke. So first I have to join the body, and after that I will fold this, or I'll sew inside. So like this, and then step it, and then will come the color. So to first of all, I have to drain it, so it all right, just 1 inch or half an. So now I'm cutting the color, middle color. I'm preparing the middle color. One side should be slim and the other side so pinning. Yes. All right. Stop camera. So I'm showing this. So now I'm stepping it. So this is for the interface, so I'm cutting the front interface like so. So I'm going to join zip like this way. I'm going to sew it like this way. So